thinking waffles this morning. But I need something that's going to be nourishing and filling. Ooh, it could be vegan, gluten-free, and I'll add pumpkin. That'll add a bit of fiber and sweetness. Yes, that's what we'll have. Vegan pumpkin waffles. Hey, I'm your host, Shelly Wellness. I'm on this journey to elevate our consciousness around food, and I invite you to join me. On this channel, I'll share recipes created with mindfulness, rooted in wellness. Welcome to the Mindful Plate. If you're here because you want to get straight to the recipe and make these glorious vegan pumpkin waffles, then go here. But if you want to find out why you should drop frozen waffles and popular pancake mixes and start eating these beauties, then stick around, because I got something for you. Have you ever read the labels on your food? You ever wondered about some of the ingredients in there? I definitely have, y'all. Listen, I grew up going to Waffle House as an occasional treat and enjoying my daddy's pancakes on Saturday mornings. He made them from the box with a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And whatever he added always made those waffles sing. But as I grew up and became a mindful eater, I started looking at what the box added, and I wasn't too pleased. So, as in all things, I got creative and I started making my own with a few plant-based substitutes. If you've seen my other YouTube videos on how to make butter and milk, then you know that this waffle mix is going to be easy, y'all. Let's get into it. So to make our vegan pumpkin waffles, we're going to need pumpkin. And if you don't have it, you can sub with sweet potato or butternut squash. Almond milk or any plant-based substitute you prefer. Some coconut oil or melted plant-based butter. Some all-purpose flour or gluten-free flour. Some coconut sugar. Baking powder so these beauties can rise because we're not using egg whites. And pumpkin spice because we need the flavor, and maple syrup, vegan whip, or vegan butter to top it off. I'm gonna add a bit of ginger to my syrup because I love the combination. That's good. Wow. That ginger? This hit the spot, y'all. This reminds me of Saturday morning with my dad. These waffles are so good. The pumpkin flavor, the pumpkin spice, and that ginger syrup, woo! That's a game changer. You definitely need to try that. If you're still eating the box mix and you want to elevate your ingredients, give this a try. If you like the recipe, you like the video, click the like button. And if you want the recipe in your inbox, please subscribe to the newsletter and we will see you next time. Until then, eat well and be well.